Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change system sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. There are a lot of system sounds in your phone. Just you can change those sounds or customize those sounds in your phone. What you have to do, go to the settings of your phone here first and then go to sounds and vibration, and here you will find the options called system sound. Just click on it so that if you would like to change system sound volume, just you can decrease the volume by moving this to the left side, or by moving this to the right side you can increase the volume. This is for overall system volume. Okay, whatever sound you have already set, those sounds total volume will be controlled using this bar. Okay, suppose if you would like to turn off or turn on particular sound, yes, you can do it. For example, here if you would like to change, if you would like to get touch interaction sound, just turn on this button. Previously it is turned off and now it is turned on. Okay, so if you would like to now turn off dialing keyboard, just to turn off this so that the dialing keyboard will not appear when you are dialing any number in the dialing keyboard. Okay, suppose if you would like to turn off a Samsung keyboard, yes, you can do it here. And charging sound, similarly screen lock unlocking sound. So in this way you can easily customize sound also. That is you can just turn on or turn off those sounds, those system sounds. These are all called system sounds. So overall volume of these sounds can be controlled here. So in this way you can easily change system sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.